Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. To make the process more explicit and maintainable, you can use a decorator to indicate that a method in the subclass is intended to override a method in the superclass. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a Python override class method decorator with a code example. Method overriding occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. This allows you to customize the behavior of a method in the subclass while still leveraging the existing structure of the superclass. Let's create a simple override decorator that ensures that a method in a subclass is indeed intended to override a method in its superclass. Here's the decorator code. This decorator raises a not implemented error with a message indicating that the method must be overridden in the subclass. Now, let's use the override decorator in a practical example. Suppose we have a superclass called shape with a method area. We'll create a subclass called square and use the override decorator to indicate that we intend to override the area method. In this example, the shape class has an area method marked with the @override decorator, indicating that it must be overridden in any subclass. The square class then provides a specific implementation for the area method. When you run the code, attempting to call the area method on an instance of shape will raise a not implemented error, reminding you to override the method in the subclass. On the other hand, calling the area method on an instance of square will print the expected result. This demonstrates how the override decorator helps enforce method overriding in a clear and explicit manner. In this tutorial, we explored the concept of method overriding in Python and created a simple override decorator to ensure that a subclass correctly overrides a method from its superclass. This decorator can be a useful tool for making your code more readable and preventing unintentional mistakes in class hierarchies. ChatGPT